Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss message boxes in TKinter. First we'll import from TKinter message box. TKinter message box module provides a template base class as well as a variety of methods for commonly used configuration. First we will discuss showInfo method, which is a information message box. showInfo will have two parameters. First one is the title of the pop-up window and second one is the information we want to show to the user. Here I am just giving the title showInfo and the message is hello. If we will execute the program, you can see how it will look like. We can create a button. If you click on the button, we can show these message boxes. For that, first we will create a button. B1 is equal to within bracket root and text which you want to show to the user and a command which we have to define. Here text is click here to see the information and command is click me. Now we will define the command click me, in which we will just keep msg.showInfo message box. For that we have to write def click me and a colon. showInfo message box is used to show some relevant information to the user. Now we have to pack this button in the window. For that we have to write b1.pack. We will execute the program to see how it will work. We have to press the button and a message box will be popped up. Now it's time to discuss show warning message box, which is used to display a warning to the user. I want to change the title of the pop-up window to show warning. We can change the message also, but I am keeping the same here. It is hello. Now it's time to execute the program to see the result. If you will click on button, then a warning message box will pop up. Now we'll discuss show error message box. We have to write message dot show error, heading and the message we want to show the user. Here I am changing the message to be shown to the user as something went wrong. We can have any message as per our requirement. Show warning and show errors are warning message boxes. Now we'll discuss question message boxes. It will ask question and the user has to answer either yes or no. Here the heading of pop-up window is ask question and the message to be shown to the user is press yes or no. we can play with the answer which the user has selected. If the user has selected yes, we can do something. If the user will select no, then we can do some other set of work. For this we will have a if then loop, and if answer is yes, then we will have a label in which we will assign text is equal to clicked yes. If answer is no, then we will have the text of the label is clicked no. We can write any sort of logic as per our programming requirement. Here I am just using a label to show information. As we know, without packing a wizard will not be available in the screen. For that we are .pack method to pack the label in the screen. Now we'll execute the program. As you can see, if we'll click on the button, we are getting a message box. If you will click on yes, then clicked yes, and if you will click on no, clicked no message is coming in the label. Now we'll discuss ask, retry, cancel. Ask, retry, cancel message box asks the user about doing a particular task again or not. The ask, retry, cancel function will return true if retry button is clicked, and it returns false if cancel button is clicked. The heading of the pop-up window is ask, retry, question, and the message to be shown to the user, retry until you succeed. Now we'll execute the program. First we have to click the button. A pop-up window will appear. It will ask a question. We have to press retry or cancel. If we will press retry, the label will have text retry. If it is cancel, click no message will come. Now we'll discuss ask, OK, cancel message box. It will display a dialog box that asks with two options, OK or cancel. The ask, OK, cancel function returns true if OK button is clicked, and returns false if cancel button is clicked. I will change the text of label. For OK, it will be clicked OK, and for cancel, it will be clicked cancel. Now we'll execute the program. If we will click on the button, a dialog form is appearing. If OK button is pressed, clicked OK message is coming, and if cancel button is clicked cancel message is coming. Let us discuss ask, yes, no message box. Ask, yes, no will display a dialog box that asks with two options, yes or no. Here the message shown to the user is, do you want to go for a walk? If answer is yes, then click yes message will come. If answer is no, click no message will come. Now we'll execute the program. As you can see, if we will click on button, a dialog box is appearing. If we are pressing yes, then click yes message is coming. If you are pressing no, click no message is coming. As per our program need, we can use all these message boxes. Hope this series is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.